So today is July 24th. Um, didn't sleep good last night at all. Hiccups been on and really beating the shit out of me. My stomach hurting a lot. Um, yeah, man, still here trying to find a cure for the hiccups. Um, actually found this Facebook page called Chasing the Cure. I reach out to them. They got in contact with bees, so they will be trying to see if they can have their doctors see me. Maybe they can figure out something I don't know. The hiccup's been doing this quick back to back, like quick hiccup in right after the other both of yesterday, and even right now it's been really rough. Punish last night, um, but hey, doing my best to hang in here, keep praying and hoping, and it's just tough. Actually met another fella that has it. Um, he also reached out to the same chasing the cure. He's three three and a half years with it. Seen some of his videos. It's crazy. Just like me, he chokes, can't hold his breath, everything. Just like he's said, seems like moving makes it worse. Cause like how I'm laying here, it's not that bad. But if I get up right now, now I'll start like choke a little bit, and then eventually that big choke come. Um, it's hard to eat right now. So what sucks is that I'm losing a little bit more weight. Um, I just hate that my daughter, has to see me like this, can see me choking and throwing up, and my fiance say it hurts her too, because she can't do anything to help. Like, I haven't even found one thing that would even like ease the suffering at all. So it's tough. Um. So yeah, hiccup is still here. It's crazy because the past year and whatever months I had this hiccup, I've aged a whole lot. Um, and I haven't, like, and there it goes doing the double thing as soon as I got up. Just go and check my daughter. Okay, she's still sleeping. I don't know, man. Something has to happen. But this is not good. Hiccups, persistent hiccups, chronic hiccups, intractable hiccups. It's not fun at all. Wrecking my life, man. And Just gonna keep hanging in there, and hoping that something happens. Again, man, if anybody see see it, this knows about anyone that got cured from it, please, man, let me know. No, this guy just commented on one of my posts. He's trying to try the do the apple cider vinegar and water. Water. I did it second time today. Well, 2 days straight now. So tomorrow, he said do it for 3 days. So I'll keep doing that. I'm willing to try almost anything to find a cure. Cause it sucks. It really sucks. But um, I know there's people out there going through a lot. Some people don't want to speak up about it, but whatever you're going through, man, I pray to God that you get help. Pray to God that you get cure, cause I'm punished, so I can understand. And like I say, I know people going through worse. I'm grateful that at least I can still move around somewhat. I'm grateful that I do get some breaks from it. I'm grateful for a lot of stuff, but this already went a little bit too longer than I expected. Um, I did get a 9.5 day break from it, which was the longest break I ever gotten. So grateful for that. But yeah, hiccups still here, going on a year and 5 months now. So still chasing a cure for it. Anyways, you guys have a blessed day. Be safe, be productive, and appreciate everything that you got. Appreciate being able to talk. We appreciate being able to socialize. Appreciate everything. Walk, eat what you want. Appreciate everything. Don't take it for granted. Okay. All right. Peace out. God bless you guys.